The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, I4C, reported that over the last 3 years, digital financial frauds have led to staggering losses worth 1.25 lakh crore rupees. In 2023 alone, over 13,000 cases of financial fraud were recorded, nearly half of which were digital payment fraud, card/internet. Victims of digital financial fraud reported to have lost at least 10,319 crore. Types of fraud and identifying signs. 1. Email fraud. Fake emails or messages to steal information. Signs: requests for personal details/OTP, fake links, poor grammar. SIM swapping. Duplicate SIM to intercept OTPs and make transactions. Signs: sudden mobile network loss, inability to make/receive calls, unusual bank activity. Card skimming. Devices at ATMs or POS capture card details. Signs: unusual attachments on machines, unauthorized transactions. Wishing, voice email fraud. Fake calls from bank officials to get confidential info. Signs: calls asking for banking details, creating urgency/fear. Fraudulent UPI requests. Fake UPI payment requests. Signs: unexpected payment requests, requests from unknown contacts. Overpayment scams. Small payment sent, larger amount requested back. Signs: small payments from unknown sources, requests to return more than received. Fake customer service numbers. Posting fake customer service numbers online. Signs: unverified numbers, requests for personal/banking detail. Financial fraud severely impacts personal finances, direct monetary losses in
financial fraud in India. Shocking stats and how to protect yourself. Big problem in India. Over 1 million financial fraud cases in 2023. Digital payment scams are exploding. Billions of rupees lost to cybercrime. Types of scams to watch out for. ATM skimming and PIN theft. Fake UPI requests and phishing emails. Investment scams promising high returns, but steal your money. Stay safe with these tips. Be careful with online transactions. Use trusted sites only. Never share your PIN or OTP with anyone. Update your software regularly. Keep everything patched. Don't click suspicious links or reply to unknown emails. Report fraud immediately to your bank. Fight back and stay informed. Financial fraud is serious, but you can protect yourself. Stay tuned for more videos on financial literacy and personal security. For domestic transactions. Domestic transactions cardholder dispute form, CDF, filled out with transaction details and your signature. Incident letter addressed to your bank, dated and signed by you, including account number, card number, and date of loss. Details on who had the card during the fraud and how you discovered the unauthorized transaction. Any additional information about the fraud incident. Original FIR, online FIR, incident letter with the police acceptance stamp. Required if the fraudulent transaction is 20,000 rupees or more. Fraud originating overseas. For fraudulent international transactions, submit the following along with the filled customer dispute form and incident letter. FIR from overseas local police, mandatory if the fraud involves an international transaction and you were present at the location of the fraud. Not required if you were in India during the fraud. Passport copy, including blank pages, mandatory for fraudulent international transactions or where the geographical location is unclear. If no passport is available, a signed declaration confirming no passport and non-presence at the fraud location is needed. In credit card fraud cases, your liability depends on how quickly you reported the fraud and blocked the card after discovery. Have you been a victim of UPI or bank fraud? Don't worry. Here's a quick guide to minimize damage and recover your funds. Act fast and report immediately. Every second is crucial. As soon as you suspect fraudulent activity, contact your bank or UPI app provider. Reporting early improves your chances of receiving a full refund, depending on bank policies. Block your accounts. Request your bank to freeze your accounts and block your debit/credit cards to stop further unauthorized transactions. Gather evidence. collect all relevant documents, such as emails, SMS alerts, transaction details, and screenshots related to the incident. These will be essential for your dispute resolution claim. Follow the dispute resolution process. Adhere to your bank's dispute resolution procedures carefully. Ensure you meet deadlines and provide all requested documents to strengthen your case. Reporting a fraudulent incident. For reporting a fraudulent transaction, you will need specific documents depending on whether the fraud is a domestic or international transaction. Once your card is blocked, it can't be used again. Your bank will issue a new replacement card with a different number, but your blocked card's account will remain active.